Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel EduKarthik, and in today's video we are going to start with the part 2 of exercise 6.2. You all know that in previous video I did the exercise 2.2 but only the first 3 questions, but now I am going to do the next 3 questions. So actually our chapter going on is lines and angles. So let's start. So the angle RPQ is given 95 degree, PRT is given 40 degree, TSQ is given 75 degree, and we have to find out the angle SQT, means this one angle, this one. Let me mark it. So how will we solve it? Firstly, we will have to find out PTR. Here we will write, we know that sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degree, which is angle sum property of a triangle. Wait, let me write it straight. Sum of angles in a triangle, okay, equals to 180 degree. Now sum of angles means 95 plus 40 plus angle PTR. 95 degree plus 40 degree plus angle PTR equals to 180 degree. Okay, if we add all of these angles, so it will be 180 degree. Now 95 plus 40 is 135 plus angle PRT equals to 180 degree. Angle PRT equals to 45 degree. Okay, this is our PRT, which is 45 degree. So here we'll write angle STQ equals to 45 degree, and in bracket vertically opposite angles. Okay, so this will be 45 degree. Now we know that this angle plus this angle plus this one will also be 180 degree, as it is a triangle. In triangle TSQ, angle T plus angle S plus angle Q equals to 180 degree. Okay, angle T plus angle S plus angle Q, let me write angle T plus angle S plus angle Q equals 180 degree. Angle T is 45, angle S is 75. 45 plus 75, and angle Q is X. Okay, so 75 plus 45 is 120 plus X equals to 180. So X equals to 60 degree. And now answer. Angle SQT equals to 60 degree. Now we will come to our next question. So friends, in this next question, like you can see over here, there is a figure. Let me explain you this. So firstly, it is given that this line, this one line is parallel to this line. Okay. So now, we have to find out x and y over here, and this is 90 degree given. So we know this will also be 90 degree. So what we'll write firstly? Angle PQS equals to QSR. Angle PQS equals to angle QSR. Now why? Why? Because these two lines are parallel and there is a straight line. So this line will be equal to this line. Okay, I mean this angle will be equal to this angle by alternate interior angle. There are two methods of doing this question. I'll tell you both of them. Okay. Now, so this will also be x. Now, x plus 28 in triangle QSR. QSR, angle QSR plus angle SQR. Equals to 65 degree. Why? Because of the exterior angle property. Exterior angle. So exterior angle. Now QSR is x. SQR is 28. X plus 28 equals to 65. So x will be 65 minus 28, which will be x equals to 37 degree. Okay, x will be 37 degree. Now this is 90, so this will also be 90. X plus y equal to 90 degree. Okay, x is 37. 37 plus y equal to 90. Y equal to 53 degree. So here you will write answer. X and y. So firstly x will be 37 degree and y will be 53 degree. Okay, so this question is over. Now we will come to our last and final question. So friends, this is our next question, and in this one question we have to prove that QTR, angle QTR equals to half of angle QPR. Okay, so now what we will do? Firstly, let's see in triangle QTR. In triangle QTR, let these both be x, these both be y. So t plus x equals to y. Angle t plus x equals to y. Why? Why is angle T plus XY? Because exterior angle. Exterior angle. By exterior angle property. So, angle T can be written as y minus x. Let this be equation 1. Now, in triangle QPR, QPR, 2x plus angle P equals to 2y. 2x plus angle P equals 2y. Angle P equals 2y minus 2x. And from here we will take 2 common. Angle P equals 2 times of y minus x. Angle P upon 2 equals y minus x. 2. Let it be equation number 2. So, we will equate both of these by equation 1 and 2 we get. By equation 1 and 2 we get y minus x is common, so angle T equals to angle P by 2. Angle T is angle QTR equals to half of angle QTR. And here we will write hence proved. So friends, this one question is complete. Let's see. Firstly, we had to prove that QTR equals half of QPR. So T plus X equals Y by exterior angle property. So T equals y minus x. Let it be equation 1. So 2x plus P equal to 2y. Why 2x? Because there are 2x and 2y. These two angles are equal. So we made them x and y. So 2x plus P equals 2y. 2x equal angle P equals 2y minus 2x. So 2 we took common and y minus x was left. So angle P by 2. Now we equated both of them because y minus x was common. So T equals P by 2, QTR equals half of QPR, and hence proved. So in next video I will continue with my next chapter because this chapter is over. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next class.